So welcome back to Abehair channel. My name is Zohan, hair expert from Abehair company. So when it comes to buying hair from Vietnamese companies, you must have heard about some terms like super double drawn, and single drawn. You can see it in our price and in the way we work with you, right? So what exactly they are, and what is the difference between those three types and how to identify it. Today, this video will show you about this content, alright? So first of all, we will come to the first style here. This one is single drawn bird hair, and this one contains multiple lengths of hair strands, resulting that the hair will be thicker at the top, alright, and deeper at the middle and thin at the end. So in one bundle, there are 50% of the hair strand that have a full length, and the rest will be shorter. So that is the reason why this hair type has the lowest price in our price. Well, now next is the double drawn type. So this one I show you here. The hair, this one is thicker and fuller than the previous one, right? You can see it right now. And in one bundle here, there are 75% of the hair strand that have full exact length. So they are still look very, very nice, right? Very silky and full, still very full. And because there are only 25% of the hair strand that is mixed from short hair, its final hair grade, it is of course super double drawn hair. You can see it in my hand. So the hair here, they are in one bundle, there are 90 to 95% of hair strand that have a full length, so it could be the most thickness and fullness hair type. So while making this hair, the factory have to very, very carefully to select the hair strands, because they have to have the same length, right? In conclusion, you know that in Vietnamese human hair factory companies, they use three types: super double drawn, and single drawn, and they all mean about the hair end, the standard of the hair end, of the hair tails, in another word. So some customer ask me, like, I don't know about these standards. I know about 6A, 7A to 10A to 12A, right? Because they buy from different countries, so the standard may be in a different name. However, they are all relate to the hair end. All right. For example, in China, they use 6/8 to 8/8 to. It means it have same meaning about the single drawn, and from 9/8 to 10/8 is about double drawn, and the final from 11 to 12/8 is the super double drawn. It equal to the term that we set up here in Vietnam, right? All right, and the second question that I usually got from our customers is the hair quality difference between three types of braid? The answer is absolutely no. The only difference here is the thickness of the hair end, or the hair tails, in another word. So thank you for listening to the video today. So I hope that the video will be helpful for you to answer what do you have in your mind right now. And don't forget to follow our channel to see more and more content related to the human hair products. And more, you can contact us with the WhatsApp number below to buy from us, Vietnamese human hair factory. So see you again in the next video. Very great to have you here. Bye.